Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're doing good. And today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to disable the startup programs in your Windows. Okay. And first of all, I'm going to tell you what is startup programs. Okay. And for this, the startup programs are those programs which are installed in your computer and which start automatically as you start your Windows. Okay. As you can see, some programs like Viber, Skype, and other programs which start automatically. You can see them in the taskbar. They will start to work. Okay, these are the startup programs, and these programs usually consume more RAM and CPU usage. Yeah, it increases the CPU usage, which eventually slow down your computer. And today I'm going to tell you how to disable them. Okay, and for this, you have to right click on the taskbar and then click on task manager, and then you can see startup, click, and here you can see the list of the programs which start automatically as the window start. I mean, these are the auto starting programs. Okay. And I'm going to tell you how to disable them. And for this, here I have dash lane. Okay, and status it is enabled. To disable it, just right click on it and click on disable. Okay, and this is SD background process and SD audio background process, and some of them are useful also, and you don't need to disable them. Just like this graphic command, Intel graphics command, Microsoft OneDrive. Okay, I don't need this, so right click on this and disable. And the program, the unknown program, right click and disable. And similarly, I have, as I told you before, this is the Skype, and I don't want this to start automatically, and click on disable, restore, disable. Okay, just right click on the program and click on disable. Okay. And the changes will be significant if you disable the apps which has high impact. Okay, and the startup impact can be seen in this last column. Yeah, you can see low, medium, sometimes you can see high impact. Okay. So in this way we can disable the startup apps from our computer. And as I told you, after you do this, this will definitely reduce the CPU and RAM uses from your computer, and which will definitely increase the performance of your computer. And let me know this in the comments. Okay. And this was for today. I hope you like this video, and if so, please like and share this video, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for the notifications of my latest updates. Thank you. Have a nice time.